The mission of any military jet begins long before it takes off. It starts with a rigorous pre-flight inspection, an essential step in ensuring the aircraft's safety and functionality. This process is crucial not only for the success of the mission but also for the safety of the pilots and crew. The pre-flight inspection involves more than just a walk-around. The team inspects various systems, including hydraulic and fuel systems, to ensure everything is in top condition.
Pressure to start the engines up, and he is pumping those up right now. He's about to start pumping. You're going to see him down here going to town on it. He's trying to pump the hydraulic pump handle, to bring up the pressure on these accumulator bottles.
Any discrepancies are addressed immediately to avoid potential issues during the flight. Fueling an aircraft is not a simple task. Military jets, such as the B-2 and F-16, require precise amounts of fuel to operate efficiently. Ground crew members use advanced technology and their expertise to ensure that the fuel levels are optimal for the mission. Technicians ensure that everything is serviceable and ready for action. Preparing weapons for military jets involves a complex series of steps. Each weapon must be assembled, tested, and loaded with meticulous care. The goal is to ensure that every munition functions correctly when needed. Weapons specialists work in teams, often operating on an assembly line approach. Each team member has a specific role, from assembling bombs to inspecting missile systems. Coordination is key in the preparation process. Clear communication among crew members and between different teams ensures that every step is completed on schedule and to the highest standards.
Still go boom.
Before the jet takes off, a final check is performed. Pilots and ground crew members review all systems, ensuring that the aircraft and its weapons are ready for the mission. This final step is crucial for mission success. The pre-flight and weapon preparation process for U.S. military jets is a testament to the dedication and expertise of the personnel involved. Each step, from inspections to weapon preparation, is executed with precision and care. It is this meticulous attention to detail that ensures the success of every mission and the safety of every flight. As the jets soar into the sky, they carry with them the result of countless hours of preparation and the commitment of those who ensure they are mission ready. This is the behind-the-scenes effort that makes every flight and mission possible.
His hands across all those fasteners that are in front of the intake. He's making sure that nothing is sticking.